Greetings. Here's a short overview of the fan controller that I'll be using on the DMR repeater. Now, this is a Chinese imported product, and let's zoom in a little bit, then you can have a look. That's a little control board, and there's a switch on it with which you can program the functions of this controller. Now you will see there's a couple of wires. This can also do PMW and pulse width PWM, pulse width modulation, but I only have 2 wire fans, and this works fine, with the exception that there's certain functions that you won't be able to use. This is the little sensor that they use to measure the temperature, and yeah, so that's about the whole story and setup. I will be making another video showing you it in action.